This is something most realtors will never tell you about open houses. A lot of agents will tell you, oh yeah, we'll hold an open house every weekend. But what they don't tell you is this. A lot of realtors are actually trained that the purpose of an open house is not to sell your house. It's to generate leads for their business. And I know this because I've literally been to the trainings. A lot of these trainings teach agents to focus more on meeting new buyers than actually marketing the home itself, your home. And this is one of the things that differentiates me. And I've never bought into the idea that open houses should be mainly for lead generation. Because when I host an open house, my focus is on one thing, selling your home. That means I personally host the open house myself. I print and deliver 200 plus high quality open house flyers to the nearest neighbors. I place at least 30 to 40 directional open house signs in the area. The large ones, not those tiny, lazy realtor style signs you can drive right past without noticing. And while buyers are walking through the property, I'm not trying to pitch them on other listings or recruit them as clients. My focus is on creating the strongest possible exposure for your property. And here's the truth. A lot of agents behind the scenes will say, a home is going to sell if it's going to sell. And I couldn't disagree more with that. Because many times, in my case, the buyer who actually ends up writing the accepted offer came directly through the open house itself. That's one of the biggest reasons my open houses consistently outperform other agents throughout North Natomas and the Sacramento area. If you're thinking about selling your home in North Natomas or anywhere in the greater Sacramento area, call or text me and I'd be glad to discuss a strategy that works for you.